The shoulder bolt is used to secure your lawnmower's wheels to the pivot arms. The shoulder bolt combines the bolt needed to secure the wheel and the axle that the wheel rotates on. The shoulder bolt can be bent if the lawnmower is struck against a wall or a rock. Replacing the shoulder bolt is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the wheel. I'll prop up the wheel with a piece of 2x4, and I'll use my impact to remove the shoulder bolt. To install the new shoulder bolt, I'll place it in the hub in the center of the wheel. Now I'll align the hole in the wheel cover with the hole in the pivot bracket and thread the shoulder bolt into the pivot bracket. And I'll use my impact wrench to secure it. And that's all it takes to install a new shoulder bolt on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.